So we got a fraction, and no fraction. We can turn that into a fraction though, because if you divide anything by 1, it's still itself, right? You haven't changed it. So there's the first fraction. Make this bigger. Okay, there's our first fraction. And then we're multiplying it by this second fraction, so negative 1 over 2. And then look, with the 9, we can turn that into a fraction by just putting it over 1. And then when you multiply fractions, you could always get the right answer by just multiplying straight across the top. So negative 3 times negative 1 makes 3. 3 times 9 makes 27. And then multiply straight across the bottom of the fractions. So I'm going to do negative 7 times 2 makes negative 14. Negative 14 times 1 makes negative 14. And so that's the answer. We just always need to check to see if it's in simplest form. I want to look and see if I can divide the top and the bottom by maybe 2. But you can't because this is odd. This one you could. But I can't divide the top and the bottom by 3. 27 divided by 3 works, but negative 14 divided by 3 doesn't come out evenly. You can't do 4, can't do 5, can't do 6, can't do 7. So there's nothing else to do. This is in simplest form. Okay. If it was like if it was 28 over negative 14, I'd divide the top and the bottom by 2 to give me 14 over 7. And then again, you could divide the top and the bottom by 7, to keep simplifying it. But this one is already in simplest form.